Hi, welcome to Living Well Balanced Integrative Medical Centers. Come on in, let me show you around. This is our amazing reception area. We hate calling it a waiting room. It's always just a party in here. So we have different chairs, seats. We even have this amazing high-tech massage chair that people love to sit on. We have our awesome retail area. Yes, we even have our own apparel line, so we've got a bunch of different t-shirts. We are all about customizing not just your healthcare, but even your experience. So we've got customized pillows, we have got a water station, tea station, we even have a wine bar as well, all complimentary. We're super big into essential oils, so if you smell that, that's going to be today's flavor, and I think today is either citrus or clementine, just for nice clarity and relaxation. But we even have a couple of essential oils that we put in your water too. So come on in, let me show you a little bit more. Usually you'll see our two amazing front desk associates, our wellness associates, our coordinators up here at the front. We're kind of high tech, so you don't really see much paper because we believe more in digital and not wasting the environment. But if we need paper, we've got that here for you if you need forms to fill out. All right, come on back here. We are all about natural, organic, sustainable, plant-based supplementation. So we've got Metagenics, we've got standard process. If you see behind me, you can again see part of our customizing your experience. Yes, we have an alcohol bar. We don't charge for it. There's no membership for it, but it's some delicious goodies where some of you might want to indulge after an amazing massage therapy session, or after dry needling, or just after a long day of work and we've put you back together. Please, you can always help yourself, and if you need help, any of our employees would love to take care of you. We've got an amazing TV monitor just to keep everyone abreast of upcoming events and some great information on fitness, nutrition, chiropractic. Behind me, this room, oh my gosh, cryotherapy, whole body cryotherapy. We have far infrared sauna in the corner, and then you'll see these amazing, very comfortable chairs. Those are our IV chairs. So we do IV therapy here a couple days a week, ranging from hangover cocktails to sports and energy performance and recovery to super immune boost, even the amazing NAD IV therapy. We do that in this room. We can even make it nice and quiet and intimate, or we make it loud like a big party. It's up to you. All right, come on, follow me. I know this is really the most important room, but I'm not going to show it to you. It's the restroom. Bathroom is in there. All right, we have an amazing rehab room. Oh my God, what happens in there? Functional fitness, corrective exercise movement, stretching, teaching you how to foam roll, teaching you how to warm up, recovery. We've got physical therapy, cupping, dry needling, you name it, it happens in this room. Come on in, let's go inside. So here we are. This is kind of like our do what it takes room. Come on in. Like I said, we've got physical therapists, we've got personal trainers here, and they are all about corrective exercise specialties. They have functional rehab. We do some passive stretching. We've got different tables in here. We've got free weights. We've got a cardio bike. We've got a TRX row. We teach people how to foam roll, how to warm up, how to stretch. This is what we call a do what it takes room, because if you've got any issues with the way you move, we are going to fix it in this room. We've got a row machine, we've got tons of physical therapy equipment, and you know, it's an open environment where this becomes like a party. It's almost like a barber shop where everyone's laughing, saying jokes, but the biggest thing is we get those fitness results, we get those movement results in this room. So let's go to the next place. All right, let's go back down this way. We've got our wall, our testimonial wall. We've got great success stories. This isn't just a traditional chiropractic office where it's like, hey, you helped me with my neck. Hey, no, you helped me get back to horseback riding, to playing soccer, or coaching a team again, or sleeping better, enhancing my whole life experience, getting back into marathons. Those are just some of the many testimonials we have. I'm not going to show you this room because it says employees only. All right, it's our kitchen, it's our storage, it's got the cryotherapy doers in there. It's messy, but that's our kitchen. All right, come on down. We are all about prevention and the maintenance of health, and that involves taking care of kids, right? I don't know how many of you who are watching this video know that chiropractic is great for children. It's great for not just colic or asthma or any type of acid reflux, it's just an awesome thing to do. So that way it keeps their spine healthy, it keeps their brain functioning at a higher level, and it just helps them be a better kid. What parent wouldn't want that? So now we're getting into the back part of our office. We have a couple of massage therapy rooms. You can see one over in this corner. We've got 2 massage therapy rooms here. We've got great massage therapists ranging from 2 years out of school to 30. Yeah, we love the talent, but we more importantly love them being a culture fit. So, and they collaborate all the time together. So, massage therapy rooms. We've got a fantastic physician assistant. We've got a nurse here. They both run not just the IV department, but we also do regenerative medicine, stem cells. There is some serious healing going on without drugs, without surgery. All right, last but not least, we've got this area. And by this area, I'm talking about this area here. This is where our dog stays. All right, you've seen her in our pictures. You've seen her maybe in our Instagram and other social media, but her name is Asa. This is her throne. Actually, every sofa, every chair is her throne, but this is where she is. Back here, we've got our open adjusting area. I'm one of the chiropractors here, and I am all about a family environment, educating, cross-contaminating our education, because everyone deserves to hear some good tidbits and gems. We got some really fancy tables in here because, hey, it helps with disc issues, it helps with stenosis. I've got pregnancy drops because we take care of pregnant women, pediatrics. In the back, we've got, come on in, I'll actually get you even closer. We've got our employee room. So just like that kitchen, I don't want to show you that, but it's got 3 workstations. You might meet one of our office managers there. You might meet our billing person. You might meet our front desk. They're all just hiding in the back. And then last but not least, we've got the consultation room, the discovery room. This is where we get to know you, who you are, why you're here, where do you want to see yourself in the next 6 months to 5 years. We are all about high tech. We have got, our bodies never lie. Our physiology never lies. We do, right? So our goal in this room is to determine what's going on with your body. We do posture scans, we do digital foot assessments, gait assessments. We do some amazing heart rate variability, which shows how well your brain is coordinating your hormones, your sleep patterns, your metabolism. There's a lot of cool stuff that happens in this room, all right? So we hope you enjoyed this tour. We can't wait to see you in our office and give you a big hug and maybe a kiss on the cheek, however you like it, however you love it. Again, thank you so much for watching our video. Welcome to our office virtually. Can't wait to see you physically here.